Hey everyone, this is Diesel. Say hi, Diesel. For anyone that's had surgery on their dog and had to put a cone on them, this is another comfortable alternative to that stupid plastic cone that not too many people know about. It's an inflatable neck ring, their collar slips right around the inside, and it's much more comfortable and enjoyable for your dog than that stupid plastic cone. Right, Diesel? Yeah. Diesel's very tired, but he thinks this is pretty comfy. Stash is here to say hi. Hi, Stash. Say hi. Hi. Stash. Say hi. Hello. Stash.